Today, I'm gonna tell you how you can say something about your present time activities. Suppose you want to describe something which is going to be happen in present time, and if you want to say something about universal truth or your habitual fact and how you can describe this type of activities in English, I'm gonna discuss about that. First, if you want to say something about the present time activities, and you will have to use the verb of base form. There are three forms, mainly there are three forms of a verb or action word. There are two types of verb. First one is action verb, second one is non-action verb. In case of action verb, there are mainly three forms. First form is base form or real form or present form. Second form is past form, and third form is past participle form. So if you want to describe something about present time activities, you must use uh, present form of or base form of the main verb or base form of the action verb. Like if you want to say that you are going to sit for your SSC exam, you are going to learn speaking English, you are going to you play football, or now you read book, or now you take bath. In this way, if you want to say the happenings of present time, you just say first is the speaker or subject, second one will be the listener or the verb. First will be subject or speaker, second will be verbs, and third will be listener or object or extension of the verbs. If I give you example that you can say I play football, they play football, he plays football. She cooks rice, she prepares her lesson, she prepares her dress, she wears her dress, she reads her book, she does her homework, I do my homework, you do your homework, they do their homework. So here is the difference. First, I do my homework or I play football, they play football, you play football, and he plays football. In, in case of present time activities, if you say the subject, third person singular number, you must add s or es with the verbs. So there are three persons. Person means noun and pronoun. Every noun and pronoun is person. Person is three kinds. Person is three kinds. First person, second person, and third person. Third person is I and we. I and we are first person. Second person is you and your. Third person is except I, we, you. Except I, we, you. All are third person. And there are two numbers. There are two numbers of nouns. First is singular number, second one is plural number. So if you say about the subject who is third person and singular number, you must use s or es with the base form of verb in present time activities. And if you don't use third person singular number, if you use third person but plural number, you should not use or you must not use s or es with the base form of verb. In case of only third person singular number, I repeat, first person singular number, third person singular number, second person singular number. In case of third person singular number, three persons, first person, second person, third person, two numbers, singular number and plural number. In case of only third person singular number, we will use s or es with the verbs, but others forms of person or other forms of number, we should not use s or es with the base form of verb. In case only one subject who is third person singular number, we must use s or es. And when you will use s or es, s or es, h will be used when the verb is started with uh, the is ends with. If there is s double s h h c h x o z. I repeat, if there is s h h double s h h h c h or x o z, x o z, we will use es in when there is h double h h h c h x o z at the end of the verb. At the end of the verb, we must use we must use es. But when the verb is ended without these letters h h double s or h a c h x o z, there will be only s. There will be only s and es for if there is h a c h x o z. So you must keep these two rules, that when we'll use s and when we'll use es, and when we'll use s or es only for present time activities and subject if the subject is third person singular number. If I give you the structure of it's describing present time activities: subject or speaker, then base form of verb, and then object or extension or the listener. So the structure is subject or speaker, verb, and then object or listener. So if you can follow this structure, you will be able to describe present time activities, and you will be able to be fluent and to be expert in speaking English or describing present time activities. A present time is the most time in your life, in your daily communication. So I hope you have got the idea. If you think that this video lesson was useful and important for you, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Thank you everybody, and don't forget to share with others.